Today we're checking out a 2018 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special in Bonneville Salt Denim. Really nice looking bike. I like that the bar and shield emblem on the side is painted on. I just think it's a really nice look. Beautiful intake, rider floorboards, and passenger foot pegs. Got those nice big locking saddlebags, smoked out turn signal lenses. This bike runs on a fob, so it's keyless. Nice big infotainment center right here. And the miles are really low. We are at 779. And last thing on this bike is the custom dynamics headlight, and that this bike has ABS. Again, 2019 Street Glide Special, under 1,000 miles. Come check it out. We're open 6 days a week for test rides.